So today, the family does the Lost Mines of Atlantis. Oh, and here's what we got to work with. You know what you're doing there, Georgia?
No.
You don't look qualified to run that. Holland, are you sure you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got going here. All right, let's see what Georgia's got first.
I probably have nothing good.
What? What'd you already find?
It popped out.
Let me see that. Hold your hand out. Let me see what you got. There's our first find. Hold still. There's our first find of the day.
I didn't even do anything.
You didn't even do anything. Well, then I'm going to take it then. It's mine. No?
I don't think I got anything.
Oh, if I find something in there, though, it's mine.
I found another out of the bucket.
Okay, here goes Holland.
Did I just dump it in here, Dad?
No, you let us look through it because you're a terrible looker. Oh, Holland's found some more stuff already.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we're pretty much not going to let you sift anymore because you're terrible at it.
Oh. Found a big one.
What?
Are you serious?
Hold that out, Hall. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
I'm digging through here.
What is that, a little fossil, Holland?
Yeah, it's like an ammonite.
An ammonite, that's right. What'd you find, George?
Nothing good.
It's got a few things.
I like putting my hands in water.
What? Put your face in it.
Wow!
What, already?
This one's huge. It was just kind of sitting there. And look at this one.
Hold those out with your hands. Nice, Georgia.
I like this one. Look at what I found in the bucket.
What?
Oh, I found a shark tooth too.
There's more stuff in there, Georgia.
Look at this tooth I found.
Nice.
There's a ton of stuff in this one. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. Is this like polished lapis?
I think it may be. All right, Hall, let's see what we got to work with here.
I just found this one in the bucket.
Oh, I see teeth and gems. What do you got? I think there's another tooth right there. Get those Dugars out of there.
That one I popped out.
What is that?
Bucket. I have no clue.
What's that? Rinse that one off and show it to me.
Looks like almost an emerald kind of.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That is pretty.
Is that another tooth? I thought it.
What's this, Holland? What is that?
I think it's a bone.
Is it a chicken bone?
Ew. I got all the goods out of mine.
Did you get all the goodie? Let me check.
Let me see.
Let Inspector Gadget check real quick. Oh, you did find a good little one, Hall. Throw that in the bag, baby.
Little tooth.
Uh-oh. Looky here too, Holland.
That might be something.
I like this one. It gives me earth vibes.
Earthy vibes. What'd you find, Holland? Just laying there in the rocks? Somebody didn't spy the tooth, huh?
You snooze, you lose.
That's right. Oh, I see some good stuff, Georgia. Oh, look at the good stuff, George.
Whoa.
What is that?
It's pink. It's really pretty. It'd make a good necklace. I found another shark tooth that someone abandoned.
You found another shark's tooth somebody just threw out?
Yes. Oh, look at that one. Look at this one. Did it make it in the bag? Yeah. That one's like, whoa. It's like perfectly clear besides like all the other stuff in it.
Nice.
Mom, look at this.
Look how clear it is.
Ooh, that is pretty.
That's my favorite one so far.
Your fave?
Like a yellow one. I got a shark tooth.
Let's see it. Nice.
Yeah. purple one.
Yep, amethyst.
Whoa, I just found this. Oh, no.
Little stick or is it a rock?
Ooh, I got
Did you about lose it?
Yeah.
Get that other big one in there, George. What's that other big one right there? Ooh, it's pink. Is it rose quartz?
Might be. Yeah, it's big. It has a little bit of yellow in it too. It was in like.
Ooh, I see some stuff, Georgia.
Same, I see some more stuff. Got another piece of rose quartz, I'm thinking.
Maybe just regular quartz.
I'm not sure. Got
Ooh, that's pretty.
really pretty one. What's that? Oh. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Yeah, look at this.
What'd you find?
It's as big as my palm.
It's as big as your palm.
Look at this crystal.
Ooh, that's a pretty cool crystal.
I'm putting this stuff in my bag.
All right, let's see what you're working with, Holland. Ooh, nice.
That's pretty.
What is that, Hall? That's really green looking.
There you go. Isn't that pretty?
That's a tooth. Yeah. What?
Whoa, what the flip is that? Looks like some lava crystal.
Huh.
Mom, look at this thing.
Ooh, that is pretty.
Gotta put that in the bag.
That'd make a good necklace.
I know Georgia's already been saying stuff would make good necklaces.
Dad, I found this in the water.
Nice. In the water?
Yeah, right here.
Scoop it up, George. Ooh, I see some good stuff already, Georgia.
I did too.
Ooh, what are you working with, George? Oh, that is crazy looking.
Look at this one, guys. This is my new
Oh, look
favorite
at that.
one.
Look at that, Hall.
It's like dark green and light blue. Whoa.
Lay them on the edge here so I can see them all when you're digging them out.
Got like a really black
Look at the
one.
end. Look on the end. Is that a tiger's eye, but it's really dark?
Might be. Got
It's clear
Not
with a
so
little dark
clear,
in it.
clear one.
Yeah, not so clear. That one's really milky white colored.
yeah, we got the white and the black. Also another like, oh, this one's even blacker than the other one. Wow. Ooh. This one's like weird shaped. I
That
kind
is-
of like it.
Weird.
It is weird.
Let's see what we got here.
Those are the big ones.
Those are pretty good.
This is my favorite ones. All right.
See what you're working with in there.
This one. Like a. Ooh, that one's pretty.
What color is that? Red or pink or
It's like
orange
a
or
orange, like that Crayola color nobody ever uses.
the Crayola color nobody ever uses?
That's the way I describe it. The red orange.
Oh, I see a shark's tooth.
What you do? Wait, what? How did I not see that? Look at it. Why have we never came here and done this before?
I don't know. We've been wanting to do this forever.
This is so fun.
This isn't very far from our house, but we have never done this, and we've been wanting to do this for a long time. We love these little man-made gem mining things where you mine by the bucket. It's usually a lot of fun, and the girls are always entertained by it.
Look at that blue one.
Do you want to look at
What?
it? I'm dumping it, you know.
Nice. Lay it on the side, Hall. Nice.
Oh, there's a shark's tooth right there. You
Wait,
missed,
what?
Georgia.
I missed the shark's tooth.
What? What are you doing to us? That's pretty cool, Holland. Oh, I see it too. Oh, wow. That looks like clay red. That's really bright.
It's like red clay.
Oh, there's more stuff coming up. What's that?
I don't know. We're all by ourselves. But it's pretty. found a really clear one too.
I like that too, Hall.
Is that it? Is that all she wrote? Is that all she wrote? Nope, it ain't. Not for mom.
That's not all she wrote for your mama.
Oh my gosh.
What are you getting in there, Hall? Oh, she's got a hoard of gems.
Don't knock your others off. If you want.
Have you hit the mother lode?
I think I have. Hit the mother load.
That's your old timey miney man voice.
Wow.
Whoa, that's crazy looking. Look at the
this.
bottom of that one.
It looks
I think
normal.
we should.
It looks normal, and then you turn it over.
Oh my gosh. That's cool. Look, it's smooth.
I know. It looks like it'd be rough. All right, Georgia, you going in? Shark's tooth already?
Yeah.
What's that?
Stone.
Whoa, you've got a big seashell over there, Hall.
I think
Oh, I
Mom
picked
found
that up off the ground.
You found it on the ground?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I was trying to say I shook it.
What'd you shook?
Shaking it.
What'd you shake? Shook, shaking, shookin'?
This.
You shook that out?
Look at this one. It's like a triangle. Cue Illuminati music.
Cue the Illuminati music.
That's the Illuminati.
No.
That's the worst Illuminati music ever.
She's way better. I found something.
Nice. Whoa, look at Holland's batch.
What the heck?
Come sift this, Holland.
She's cheating. Yeah, you are. I heard you snickering with Mom a second ago.
You guys were snickering?
Look at going like, look at what's in my soup. I don't think I see any big gems.
No big gems for you?
Looky, there's so many. Got these big ones. This one's like earthy, like planet Earth. This one's like green. It's
That's
just
really
green.
pretty. What you got going on over here, Hall?
Lot.
That's what I'm talking about.
I think I'm winning.
That's what I'm talking
Winning
about.
the non-existent contest. I just made it exist. It is existent.
Is that your I'm looking for gems face?
You saw nothing, you saw nothing.
I think there's some shenanigans going on behind you, Georgia.
I can tell.
I call shenanigans.
Shenanigans!
Look at that grin. That's a shenanigan grin.
Look at, it's part clear and part orange.
I like that line through. That's weird.
Yeah.
Okay, shenanigan, go filter your stuff. I want to see what you stole out of the bucket. Are you cherry picking? There's no cherry picking allowed.
No, you can't. She's digging through the bucket. No wonder I've been getting horrible stuff. Okay. He's finding all the good.
You've lost your bucket privileges. Oh my gosh, look at you, you cheater. Definite shenanigans, Georgia. That's you call shenanigans.
She should be disqualified, and I should be the ultimate winner of the best thing found challenge.
Hold that in your hand, Hall. Nice.
Smooth on the bottom.
That is smooth. Ooh, what is that? Those are bright.
Better stuff than I've been getting. I got 2 of these. They're both basic, and they're basically the same.
But are they in mint condition? You're gonna break your toe with the rock.
It's fine. What's this one? I think I'm gonna need another bag. Ooh la la, this one's mint condition.
It's mint condition. And that's all she wrote for that bucket. Well, we got them all sorted out. These are Holland's finds. And here are Georgia's finds. Those are some pretty good ones there too.